currently I am into this application review system and I want to deploy it on Docker using one single command. I give the command doc, it confirms the path, right? As you can see, simply enter yes, it exists, enter. By default my SQLite review app image, right? And yeah, it has started deploying, it has been deployed. You can check on Docker. So it has been deployed over here, 0 seconds, right? Click on this web, you can click on this, it is running, you can check all the files are there, right? And this is the link, it has been reviewed. So it is not showing anything because in admin panel we have to give the ID of the Google business profiles, and so it will show the name and the comments and the stars and all everything. But the idea is that, you know, the in one single command we have deployed it successfully on Docker. That's the whole idea. So it takes only like 5 seconds to deploy it.